So this is a 2003 S10 LS model, 2.2 4-cylinder automatic. This drop that I did was a 3-inch in the front, 3-inch in the rear. It was a ground force drop kit from Summit Racing. It was about $220-ish. It's the kit that does not come with shocks. So the part that was frustrating for me when I was looking for kits is I couldn't find a good after of the truck when it was done. So I just went ahead and did it. Tires on it are 215/70/15, so basically stock. It wasn't hard to put on, but this is what the after looks like with the 3 inches. So I hope that helps anybody.